Hello, good morning, my dear students, class 9. Today I am going to teach you math. In this subject, our subtopic is to find some rational number between given rational numbers. Questions may be like this: to find out three rational numbers between find out three rational numbers between given number 3/2 and 8/3. 8/3. If you need to find out the rational number, 3 rational number, 4 rational number, or 5 or more than something, find out 3 rational numbers between 3/2 and 8/3. These two are rational numbers, and you have to find those rational numbers which are lying between 3/2 and 8/3 rational numbers. In this type of questions, first of all, if denominators are not equal, it means different, 2 and 3. These numbers are different to each other, and if denominators are different, then first you have to equate the denominator. For equating the denominator, equate means equal. You have to equal the denominators, and for equate denominator, you have to take here. You have to take here LCM. So solution is here 3/2 and 8/3. First take LCM. LCM will be 6. LCM are 2 and 3. If you don't know, then calculate LCM by this 2 and 3. Then 2 1 ja 3 and 3 1 ja 3. Then 2 into 3, that is 6. LCM you have got 6. Then first divide, just like addition of rational numbers you have to do here. So first divide this LCM by first denominator. What will you get? When you are dividing this 6 by 2, then you will get 3. Quotient you will get here 3. 2 से 6 को divide करें, then you will get here 2 3 ja 6. And now multiply this quotient to this numerator. Then you will get 3 3 ja 9. And like this here also, first divide and then multiply. So 3 2 ja, you will get 2 quotient, 2 8 ja 16. Now you can write like this: 9/6 and 16/6. Now you have equal denominators. Then between 9 and 16, numerator, the value of numerators 9 and 16. Between 9 and 16, you can write the number what you need. You need only how much? 3 rational numbers. Then you can write anyone: 10/6, 11/6, 12 upon 6. It is here 3 rational numbers. Then if these can be simplified, then you have to simplify here by, you have to divide these two numbers by 2. 2 5 ja and 2 3 ja. Simplification. This one is not, you cannot simplify this rational number. Then here 6 2 ja, you will get 2 upon 1. These three are the rational numbers. Okay, understand? Next question, you can listen here. If you need to find out 3 rational numbers or 9 rational numbers between the given rational numbers, then how? Find out 9 rational numbers. If the question is like this, find out 9 rational numbers between the given rational number 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 5. Now you have to use the method of solution what I have told you. First, look towards the denominator. Can you tell denominators are equal or not? If your answer is not, then first of all you have to equate the denominator. 2 and 5 both are not equal. Denominators are not equal, then first you have to equate the denominator. Then 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 5 and take LCM. LCM you will get 10. If you have got here LCM 10, then what you have to do? Now you have to divide this LCM by 2 and then you will get 5. Concept as a, when you are dividing this LCM 10 by 2, then you will get 5 as a quotient and then quotient to multiply numerator. You have to multiply here 1 and 5, then you will get 1 5 ja 5 and 5 से 10 को divide करें. Then if you want to divide this 10 by 5, you will get 2 and 2 से multiply करें. Then 2 3 ja 6. You will get here 5 and 6. Now you can write here 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10. And between these two numbers you cannot find 9 rational numbers. Then what you have to do? If you need to find out here 9 rational numbers, then multiply by numerator and denominator by 10, proceeding 1 as successive numbers. If you want to find out 9 rational number, then successive number of 9, that is 10, you have to multiply by 10 in numerator and denominator of both rational numbers. Then you have to multiply here 5 upon 10 into 10 upon 10, both numerator and denominator, as well as here also 6 upon 10 into 10 upon 10. If you need to find out 9 rational number, then successive numbers 9, the successive number of 9, that is 10, then you have to multiply by 10 in numerator and denominator both. You will get here 50 upon 100 and 60 upon 100. Now you can write 9 rational number between 50 and 60. You can write here 9 rational number 51 upon 100, 52 upon 100, 53 upon 100, 54 upon 100, 55 upon 100, 56 upon 100, 57 upon 100, 58 upon 100, 59 upon 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you have got here 9 rational number. Perhaps, I hope you have got the method of solving these questions. Now I will provide you homework to solve. Be careful and do hard work for your future. What you can get matter by WhatsApp. Read out carefully and solve and maintain your education. Okay, thank you.